Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Blessing, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you my daughter hair wash routine, the products I use and everything. If you are interested, keep on watching. So guys, our wash day routine or our hair wash routine have different steps, and the first step is to take down the old hair she had. That means if there's old hair, we'll take that one first, and that is the first step, and then we'll proceed to the next one and to the next one and to the next one until we are done. So it's pretty a long day to wash our hair, especially if you have a natural and if she's a baby. I also take step a lot of time. So guys, that is it. After taking down the order, as you can see, there is a product build up, and that is a white dot you are seeing. And then the next step is to add to detangle the hair, and these are the products I used on her hair. I just bought the set. I've been using this for 2 years and more, and it's really good on her hair. Then I stick to that product. So apart from the product part is out, then I'm just detangling the hair so that it will not pain her while washing, and then just spray the hair detangler on the hair and then comb it with white toothmat comb. With this, it will be less painful to her. And this detangler, you can use different things to detangle the hair. You can use water, you can use oil, you can use other product. Like this product I use is already mixed, or you can also use gel to detangle the hair, whichever you prefer. Just like the process I do with my hair, I use the same process on her hair as well. So when I'm done detangling the hair, I will just proceed to wash her hair with shampoo using the same product. You can see the little hair that came out of the hair. So guys, at this point we have washed the hair, which is the first wash with the shampoo, and the hair is a little bit cleaner than the first time. Then we'll proceed to use our hair mask, which is deep conditioning, and this is the product I'm using. This product is really good, like really good. If I'm not exaggerating, it's really good, and we advise you get one. It's easy to find and it's really good on our hair. So I'll be using the same process on her hair. First I will just rub everything and then detangling it through again. This help to soften the hair and also to easy to comb and help hair growth and retain moisture on the hair. So deep conditioning your hair or hair mask is really important as part of hair routine. And this product, if you can't use this product, just use whatever is good on your hair. So I find this product to be very good on our hair. That is why I kept using it. So guys, after I've applied the product on the hair, I will just comb it through working with section. I know our hair is not that long, but I'd like to work with section so that I can get to every part. Then I proceed to use hot hair treatment. This hot hair cap, it will help to see in moisture. So I just leave about 5 minutes, and that is it. That is the hair. I've washed it, and just as you are seeing right here, that is how it is. So then I'll proceed to the other step, which is moisturizing. So I use the same product. I mentioned earlier that I have the set of the product, from shampoo to leave-in conditioner and to hair detangler. I have all the sets with me. So guys, I will just apply the leave-in conditioner. This step, I don't have to wash it out. I will just apply it and then leave it on the hair. So while applying this leave-in conditioner on the hair, I also massaging the scalp. By doing this, it will help hair blood circulation on the scalp and also stimulate hair growth. So guys, and also do it gently, don't be too rough with your child hair. Basically, to see in the moisture of the leave-in conditioner, you can either use oil or butter, but on today's one I prefer to use butter, and because I also don't have oil at home, because there are particular kind of oil I use. And this butter that I use, I made it at home and using different kind of hair butter. I used moringa powder, I used mango butter, coconut, cocoa butter, and also shea butter, and it's easy to make. I have some video on my channel. If you are interested in those video, I will link it in the description box or on the link on the video that will pop up. So after applying the butter, I went ahead to comb it through and then pack the hair, and just to let the hair breathe for some time. What I did, I let the hair be for a week before making it again. Just want the scalp to breathe. So guys, that is basically for this video, and I hope you enjoy washing. You can also use this step on your toddler, and also use it on your whole hair, and it's really helpful. Help your hair to grow and to help to stay healthy. And don't forget to eat well if you want your hair to grow. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you got to this point, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video to be of help to someone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.